You don't have to be perfect, just keep growing. Today, we gather to celebrate Nature Conservation Day, which is conserved on every year by 28th of July. World Nature Conservation Day is an annual event to be celebrated on July 28th all over the world. The day is observed to raise awareness regarding protecting nature and conserving natural resources. Theme of this event is to connecting people and planets exploring digital innovation in wildlife conservation. The day has become a focal point for various environment and government to conduct awareness campaigns and events. To share more thoughts on this important occasion, I would like to call Shamid to deliver a speech.
Hello everyone, this is Shamid Ahmed from class 5th A is going to talk about our planet. Today is World Conservation Day. It's a special day to remember how important it is to take care of our earth.
Nature means the world. Our earth is made up of water, soil, air, mountain, plants and animals. Earth is only known planet in our solar system that has life and has a suitable climate to support it.
My name is Pranvika. माटी से ही जन्म हुआ, माटी में मिल जाना है, धरती से ही जीवन अपना, धरती पर सजे सब जीव जंतु धरती पर रहते, गंगा यमुना यहीं पे बहते, सब्जी फल यहीं पे उगते, धन फसल यहीं पे उगते, धरती माँ को देख देख कर हमको फर्ज निभाना है, धरती माँ को बचाना। जय हिंद, जय भारत। थैंक यू।
To respect and protect natural areas, including forests, wetlands and other habitat that are vital for plant life. I pledge to reduce my contribution to pollution, which can harm plants and disrupt ecosystem.
With nature, one receives far more than he seeks.
Now, I would like to conclude this program. Ek Ped Maa Ke Naam. Thank you.
So it's a wonderful day, right? We are here to inaugurate Eco Club of Wisdom International School, surrounded by the greenery over here and a beautiful weather today, right? Yeah, it's a rainy season and we are here on a plantation drive under the title Ek Ped Maa Ke Naam. Okay, as well as we are here to do the inauguration as well. I'm a person who is very much connected to the nature. I think almost 10 to 15 years of my life as a child I have spent in the forest itself. I used to climb the trees, I used to sit on the trees, I used to sleep on the trees, I used to study on the trees, sometimes under the trees. This was my routine. And during the vacation, summer vacations, my entire day was spent in the forest. वैसे लोग ज़्यादातर मुझे कहते थे जंगली करके बोलते थे, सुनने में बहुत अच्छा लगता था। जंगली होना भी ज़रूरी है, तभी तो हम एक अच्छे सिटीजन बनेंगे, है ना? When you understand the nature, you can understand the people. You can understand everybody. If you are not able to understand the nature, I am sure you are not a perfect human being. Today we are not just inaugurating the Eco Club, and we are not just planting the trees here, but we are taking a promise. Let us grow with the plants, grow with the trees. Let us breathe in the nature that we protect, and let us rise with the nature that we conserve. Life has many more challenges. These challenges will help you to grow, to rise. Even the nature has to go through all these challenges, the storms, the heavy breezes, but still it stands straight and tall. So let us pledge to stand tall and rise along with the nature that we conserve.
स्वच्छ भारत का इरादा इरादा कर लिया हमने देश से अपने ये वादा कर लिया हमने स्वच्छ भारत का इरादा इरादा कर लिया हमने देश से अपने ये वादा कर लिया हमने
स्वच्छ भारत का इरादा कर लिया हमने देश से अपने ये वादा कर लिया हमने
स्वच्छ भारत का इरादा इरादा कर लिया हमने देश से अपने ये वादा कर लिया हमने
हमसे निकलेगी स्वच्छता की एक नदी छल 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 कल 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 एक धुली सी जिंदगी स्वच्छता की जोत लेकर घर घर जाएंगे साफ सुथरी रोशनी में सब नहाएंगे
स्वच्छ भारत का इरादा इरादा कर लिया हमने देश से अपनी ये वादा कर लिया हमने
हर गली अब उन्नति की राह जाएगी धूप आशा की आंगन आंगन गाएगी स्वप्न गांधी जी का अब साकार करना है स्वच्छता का देश में त्योहार करना है खुद से ही करनी होगी शुरुआत बनाएं स्वच्छ भारत साथ साथ एक पवित्र सी हवा बहेगी उज्जवल उज्जवल हो भारत कोना कोना निर्मल होगा विश्व कहेगा जय भारत जाग उठेंगे भाग्य हमारे स्वच्छ बनेगा ये भारत जाग